Alright, man, we just made it back to the live, man. So, alright, so as y'all know, if you guys are following this series that I got, I'm turning $1,000 into $100,000, man. So the first car that I bought was a Toyota Camry. We paid $1,000 for it, and we sold it for like $2,500. We bought some more cars. I can't even remember what all. All I know is I bought the last car I bought was a Charger, and again, it had some issues, so we sold it. I was going to fix the issues, but I came across something else that I wanted to buy that has issues too. So I ain't want to have two cars with issues. So yeah, man, here you go. Now I'm gonna show you guys what we bought with the $4,000, man. So this is the thing. We had $4,000 to play with, and I bought two cars. Bought two cars for $4,000 instead of just one. So one of them I'm actually gonna keep, and we're gonna do something with it. I ain't gonna. You think I should tell them what we're gonna do? I don't know. What do y'all think, man, about a Hellcat Swap 300? That's all I'm gonna say. Put a comment down in the description, man. What y'all think about Hellcat Swap 300? Converting the Hellcat, well, converting the 300 to a Hellcat. Y'all let me know. Put that down in the comment. I'm gonna tell you guys first what we bought. We bought a Chrysler 300, and we also bought a Chevy Impala. For both, I paid a little bit. I used the whole $4,000 for both cars. One of them cars I bought for $500. Can you guess which one? This right here. I paid $500 for this 2013 Chevy Impala. It has 213,000 miles on it.
Damn!
But $500, man, you cannot beat it. Now, we do got to clean it up. It is dirty. So we started with $4,000 like I was just telling y'all. So I used, I got $3,300 in that. So we're gonna have to restart this challenge, man. But luckily, I got this for $500. So whatever we sell this for will now be the remaining balance of what we have. We're gonna cancel out the $3,300 on that, and we're gonna build that for the channel, man. So we're gonna basically kind of start over fresh, but we already got what we're starting over with. And I know some of you guys gonna be in the comments talking about I did not pay $500 for this and all this and all that. Don't worry, I'm gonna prove it to you. We're gonna put it up on the screen, man. You will see I got this at the auction, man. $500. It was a $200 auction fee, so I actually in this car for $700 total. And like I said, I had $3,300 total in that one. So if you add up, that's $4,000. So we spent $4,000, man, but we got two cars. We are keeping one and we are selling one to start the challenge all over again, man. Y'all let me know, what do y'all think, man? So now, since we already know we got the Chrysler 300, man, let's check that out. Damn good $500 buy. So here go 2016 Chrysler 300S. It said aluminum edition or something crazy on it too, but alloy edition. So I don't know. I never heard of this kind, but hey, it is what it is. So we bought this for, again, I paid actually $2,800 for it, but after the fee and all that, it turned out to be $3,300 even. The only body damage is that, which is something small. I can pop that out, even get a new fender or whatever the case may be. The only thing about this that I don't like is it has 3 of these rims and then one of those. Which ones you like better, Chief?
The back side.
I kind of like that right there, bro.
That's all right. They just need to be shined, but it's this color going with that black.
Yeah. And actually, these are actually the wheels that came with this car, because
that's like a bronze look.
Yeah, it's a bronze.
Because the grill that color.
The grill is bronze too. But So if you guys remember, if you guys are not new to the channel, if you watched one of my other videos, I'm about to say my last one, my other videos, you'd have seen that I had another Chrysler 300S. I was thinking about keeping that one, but it was one reason that I didn't keep it. It was because it didn't have a panoramic roof, man. So this one has the panoramic roof. Man, show them the inside. Alright, so that's not all. This car actually has some issues. That's why I went ahead and sold the Charger, because this one does have some issues, but I was not letting this one pass because ultimately I want to take the motor, take the transmission out of this one, put a Hellcat transmission, Hellcat motor, and all the driving components of it. So I really didn't care too much about the motor and all this, but I am going to try to see if what's wrong with it and see if we can get it fixed for now and see if we can drive it around for a little bit, man. But for now, man, like I said, we're just gonna keep it probably here at the lot for a little while till we find well, I'm gonna use some of the money to fund the project. I don't want to take it out of my money because this is gonna be for the channel, man, for the tube. So we're gonna build this thing, bro, basically from the ground up, bro. So what we're gonna do, like we always do, we're gonna sell a car, put some of the money aside for this and the rest of it for the $100,000 challenge, and we're just gonna take it from there, man. I'm excited. What do you guys think? We're gonna start it up and do all that good stuff and let you guys just check it out fully. But like I said, forewarning, it do have its problems. But we bought both of these cars. Can you see them? I was gonna do a thumbnail. I'll do a thumbnail later when we come back. All right, man. So we finna hear the start up for the first time. Like I told y'all, man, it is something wrong with it. Like you need to tune up or something like that. But like I said, I really don't care about that because I want to swap it anyway. But we're gonna see what it's like, man. So I do know it does need a battery, and we got to get a new key for this thing too. This the key that it came with. Y'all let me know. I don't think this is, I know this is not the, yeah. So.
Good.
Yeah. It's one of them for sure. Like I said, something wrong with it, but I don't really care about the motor, so just put it up. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put it up, man, until we get motor and trans and all that good stuff. I'm gonna try to drive it around here though. I've never drove this car, so it might not drive. So let's drive. It actually drive. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. My bad. But nah, bro, like this is literally my first time driving this car, chat. It shift transmission good. We need to put it. I'm gonna put it on the machine to see what the check engine code is. Let's see.
Shifting good.
Yeah, it actually, I'm surprised. Like I say, we might, before I swap it, we might just see what's wrong. If it's something just real fixable, real simple, I might just get it fixed and we could drive around it for a little while until we can find the motor and transmission. But I just don't know, would it be smart just to put money into something? So, plug. Alright, man, so I drove this car at the auction, bro. Before and after I bought it, it was fine. It's been down at the auction now for probably about a week and a half, and I think somebody messed with it. I'm not 100% sure, because the check engine light now is blinking and all that, and beforehand it didn't even have a check engine light. So I don't know if somebody did something to it at the auction. Sometimes people do stuff to cars. I don't know, man. We gotta figure that out now. I'm just going through checking all the connections and stuff, but I'm gonna put on a code reader and see what it says and just go from there. But man, when I tell y'all this thing ran and drove perfectly fine, bro. And then it got here, I was all excited about it, and now check engine light blinking and it's running like shit. Let me see this. Damn, that's crazy, bro. How the check engine light not blinking no more? I don't know. Let's see. Alright, so we finna drive it, man, and see. Like I said, it didn't even have a check engine light on when I bought the car. It had the little swivel light and the ABS light on. It had traction control and ABS, but it didn't have the check engine on. I clipped some stuff. I was messing with some all those like wires and stuff. So I don't know if I clipped something back in or it just does it randomly. Like, it's driving fine now. You good? Oh, that's crazy. It's weird.
And then came back on at all.
Nah, I mean, it's on. It's just not. It was blinking, and now it's not blinking. But we gotta see what it say. I'm gonna put it on the code reader, and we're gonna see what codes is coming up now. Finna try to check this code. See what it says. Pen's dirty. Just doing bad today, man. Bunch of codes. Camshaft, position timing, over advanced, fuel compression, random multiple cylinder, so random misfire, knock sensor, and evap. We got some shit. We got some shit. But we're gonna check it all out and see. I gotta record all of these. And we're gonna check it out though. It's only 500. So we're gonna see. Hopefully we can get it back right. I thought it was gonna be good to go. I ain't gonna lie.
Little setback.
But hey, it be like that, man. So it's all good. We're gonna get it right though. At least get it sellable. You know, it might not be 100%, but this is gonna sell cheap. So I just want it to where it runs or dry good, and the rest we can, you know, we'll. Just trying to bag this back a little bit. Tell me how far I can't see.
Keep coming. A little bit more. All right.
So yeah, man, as y'all can see, we got some work to do on our $500 giveaway car. Hopefully it's not too crazy. I say giveaway. Our $500 flip car. Hopefully it's not too crazy, man. We're gonna see. Our budget is really maxed out, so we're gonna have to see, man, what we can do with this thing cheap. But we'll figure that out next episode, man. That is the end of this video, man. Like I said, if you do want to support the grind, man, go to shopshuntstv.com. Get yourself a hoodie, get yourself a crew neck, or even a hat, man. If you do want to support the grind, man, go to shopshuntstv.com. And like always, man, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that post notification button so you do not miss a video. And also follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Follow my business page on Facebook at Culture Automotive. I'm gonna put it on the screen like I always do. Until next time, man, I'm out.